This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So we have a Miele washing machine. this is a W1215 Touchtronic, and it's doing pretty good, but around near the end of the cycle we have the intake drain comes on and the cycle just stops. So my suspicion is those little fill hoses that come into the back that have a screen, the screen's probably just getting clogged with stuff, so we're going to try cleaning that. We do have very little access area, so what I'll do is pull the dryer forward a little bit. So to do that, you can just pull this tray forward and you can take out this little screw. It's a Torx 15, I think, or Torx 20. Zip this one out. Okay, and then I'm going to take a standard head screwdriver, just pry up a little bit to get this to come out. And that's going to let the foot come toward me, because right now it's keeping that foot from moving. So that's going to let me pull the dryer forward a little bit. I'll do the same on the other side. So I'm going to take out that little screw, get the drawer to come forward. Get that out, and then I'm going to pry up a little bit, get that to release. Okay, I think I can get the dryer to come forward now. Give me a little more room to work, I believe. And disconnect this dryer line. Wiggle that out. There comes the dryer. There we go. Just push the dryer a little bit off to the side here so you can get it back behind it. Turn off the hot water side. Turning that down. Turn off the cold. Oh man, I don't know if the cold was even turned on all the way. That's probably the problem. I turn that back on. And see if we can turn on the cold side. It's hard to reach back there. All right. Yeah, I don't think the cold was all the way on. That's probably why I was stopping. So I turn that 90 degrees, turn that 90 degrees. Let's see if that helps. Back in on these rails. I'm just going to straighten up the dryer. Back on its tracks. Slide it back in. Feet all lined up. Alright. Have to lift it a little bit to get the feet back up. Almost there. This back in. Go. It's draining pretty fast. You can hear it. Just making sure it can drain. Alright, I'm going to open the door. Put these guys in. Get something to wash. What's that one? So it's filled with a little bit of water, and it's turning to kind of estimate how much weight there is. And a couple of towels, big towels in there, so it's going to add more water now. It's just water comes in at different points. One is a water outlet here, and there's another outlet back behind the machine, so it's filling that now. And then we'll see how it does. But it was ending the cycle prematurely and giving an intake fault. But when I checked it, the cold water valve was just not all the way open. I think that's the problem. So it's at the last 3 minutes and it's draining out all the water, and it should spin it out. It's on the silk cycle. I think that'll still do a spin. Just want to make sure it can complete a cycle. It's starting to pick up speed on the spin. I have it set for slow. I should have had it go faster. I think that's part of the silk cycle though, is it won't pick up like full speed. There we go. Still pretty fast though.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.